Do you want to know how you can log out of your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for Temu. Click on the first link, which is the official link of Temu. Make sure that you have an account and you are logged in to your Temu account. What you need to do next is hover around your profile and you can see that the sign out option is there on the bottom. So go ahead and click sign out and then you can sign out of your Temu account. So what you need to do is open temu.com, make sure your account is logged in, hover around your profile and then click sign out. You can see that you have now been signed out of your account. I hope this video about how you can sign out of your Temu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.